Yo, listen up, I got something to say. About a sandwich that's truly the best in every way. It's got corned beef, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese. And the name of this sandwich is the Reuben, please. Now let me tell you, there's one chef who's got it right. David Husero, man, he makes it a sight. He knows the key to this sandwich is in the meat. That's why he uses corned beef from Ben's, can't be beat. And when it comes to bread, he's got the perfect source. Cobb's Bakery rye bread, it's a winning force. Toasted up just right, with a little bit of crunch. It's the perfect base for this sandwich lunch. Now let's talk toppings, cause they're oh so key. Sauerkraut and Swiss cheese, that's the way to be. And don't forget the dressing, gotta have that Thousand Island. That's what makes this sandwich truly outstanding. So if you're looking for a sandwich that's off the chain, look no further than the Reuben, it's the name of the game. And if you really want the best of the best, David Husero's version beats all the rest.